KORLOY New Drill Solutions, MSD Plus and MLD Plus series. Compared to competitors, MSD Plus and MLD Plus series shows excellent wear resistance and longer tool life. Expanded chip pocket and improved lubricity of the drill made less cutting load and fine chip evacuation. MSD Plus can be applied to diverse materials such as ISO, P, M, K, N, etc. It is improved welding resistance and decreased frictional resistance at edge and flute part. Moreover, its customized edge shape per workpiece material maximizes its cutting performance. MLD Plus comes in two grades, PC215G, used for high-speed machining, and PC315G, for medium and low-speed carbon steel machining. It improved its cutting performance in medium to low-speed cutting with the update of new straight-edge shape for general use. The double margin improves the machined hole straightness, uniformity, and precision degree of hole location. High-efficiency hole-making solutions, MSD Plus and MLD Plus series. KORLOY.